Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading, but how to make $500 daily swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe, and right now the code is back. 50% off, and the code is GME for GameStop. It's been going crazy. 50% off the school where you guys can learn my strategies, my mindset, how to find stocks and opportunity for swing trading and trading in the markets. Check it out, GME for GameStop. Let's go, roaring kitty. Crazy time. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it, but let's jump into this here. So getting started with swing trading, like I said $500 a day. And the thing is that I want to talk about is $500 a day may seem like such a long thing. It may seem like, how am I ever going to make that? And guys, have realistic expectations. This is something that a lot of traders actually don't have, is a lot of traders start and they fund an account with $1,000 and they're expecting to make $100 a day. That is not the approach you guys should have. If you're just starting out trading and swing trading in the market, the biggest recommendation I would give you is to focus on education, focus on learning, focus on paper trading and practicing. Treat it like a job. Treat it like a career, like a doctor would or an engineer. Focus on those hours of, practicing strategies, indicators, and all that stuff. So, guys, I wanted to be upfront about it because a lot of people see the title and they think scammy, he's scamming. No, it's definitely doable because it's only $2,500 a week. But if you look at $500 a day, it may seem a little overwhelming. So I just wanted to be upfront about that, guys. So all right, now let's talk about some stocks that we traded and kind of our strategy, and then a stock that could have some future potential here. So with swing trading, what do we look for here? Do we look for stocks that are just selling off and you're trying to buy low, sell high? Well, kind of. What I focus on with my strategy is a stock on an upward trend like Amazon that is sold off down to the support line. The support line we chose here is the 90-day moving average line, and this is why I love it. You guys can see in the past it's used moving average lines as support where we get good buying pressure there. So recently sold off here, hopping in near and around this 176 area. As of right now, it's 184 here. We're doing a trailing stop loss. So our new stop loss on Monday is going to be near and around this $82, $81 mark. And this is all using moving average lines and RSI lines. You guys can see the RSI was trading for about a 25. The last time it was trading for a 25 was right in here where we had this great move from 171 to 191. If we scroll back, another one here was near and around 144 to 156. So we're using the RSI, which is the relative strength index that tracks momentum. Historically, anything under a 30 is considered a undervalued point for a stock and could have some potential. The other indicators we use are moving average lines. This one here is the 90-day. We also use the 200-day. Both of them are absolutely fantastic, but the 200-day is going to act as a harder support, harder resistance than the 90. The 90 does do good, but you just got to have your stop loss set. You got to always have that plan behind it here. Because you guys can see in the past, it's used it as the 200 as support as well. So you guys can see great trade here on Amazon. We also traded the exact same strategy here with Charles Schwab. Using that 90-day moving average line as support, you guys can see we actually drew out the trend and on the possible reversal, and we're setting our stop loss just below it. So if it does dip below it, we're just going to cut our losses with this one, but this is using moving average lines, and that RSI was trading for near and around a 24, which last time it was trading for a 24 was right in here where it went from 159 to 164. So using these indicators are super important. We're finding stocks on an upward trend that have sold off down to some level of support. Now, you may be saying, Carter, I'm never ever going to find a stock like that. Guys, I got you. A stock that we were recently looking at that has some potential is ticker symbol HBAN. Now, one of the reasons here why I love this one is it has this nice upward trend. You guys can see the reversal breaking above these moving average lines. So now it has heavy support. Another reason I absolutely love it here is it does have some sort of trend line right here, as you guys can see here. You guys can see it actually hits this line. If we actually can draw it out, it actually hits this line several times, right? Once, two, three. For me and my strategy, I need it to hit it about 3 times just so I can have that confirmation of good buying pressure. And then it also has heavy support on the 90, where we could see a move from 1336 to 1429. And using Moomoo, which is the broker I use, I love them. I'll put them down below. And the reason I love Moomoo is because it's a trading broker and they have cool stuff like this. You guys can see if we set our stop loss pretty tight, because yes, even with this strategy, it may fall below it, and it's just better to just get stopped out, cut our losses, and move on to other opportunity. But still, we're risking $1 to make $3.15, and this is with the stop loss near around 2% from its current price. You obviously can adjust that, and you can adjust the target, but I do think setting your target price or your profit at a resistance and your stop loss just below a support line is a very, very easy thing to do. So this is a very simple strategy that you guys can do to make money. And like I said you can make $500 a day. And yes, I've made $700 a day for weeks. But the thing is with swing trading, you need to understand that if you have $100 and you're making $1 a day, guys, you're profitable. You are on the path for success. Your strategy's working. Your risk management's working. The only thing that isn't is just your account size. It's just small. So focus on those base hits of 1, 2, 3% returns, and those big returns will come. It just, swing trading is like baseball. Honestly, it really is. Yes, occasionally you get that home run, but in order to win games and be successful, it's about batting average. It's about getting on base, and that's super, super important. So focus on those base hits. Don't swing for the fences. Focus on base hits, singles, and you guys will be in a great, great spot. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Don't forget, you guys can use code GME to get 50% off the school, where we talk about how to find some of these stocks, my scanners I use. So I'll see you guys in there. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone.